Before you attach the drums to the cart, the desiccant filters need to be installed onto the drums. The adhesive is moisture sensitive, and the desiccant filters the moisture out of the air. The desiccant filters are good when the sight glass shows blue. When they get saturated with moisture, the sight glass will turn pink, indicating they should be replaced. Before you install the desiccant, remove the protective tape over the vent ports on the top and bottom. The last thing to note is a flow direction indicated on the side of the tube. With the arrow pointed toward the fitting, insert the tube into the fitting with an inch of engagement and secure it by tightening the band clamps. The filter is now ready to be installed into the small 3/4 inch plug in the drum. Once the plug is removed, you can thread it in until snug. When the drum is installed into the cart, the filter should be pointed vertical with the suction port at the bottom. After the desiccant filters are installed, you can now attach the drums to the cart. With the drum wrench, remove the inner plug, slide your drum into the cart, line up the twist lock and give it a 1/4 turn to lock it into place. Repeat with the second drum. Once installed, secure the drums with the ratchet straps provided.